Hi, I'm Graham East, the Managing Director of EdAlive, and I'd like to share with you the exciting news about the launch of Spellingforce Online. It joins Bag and the Dragon Maths, Maths Invaders, Typing Tournament, Words Rock and Volcanic Panic to create a suite of 6 incredible online learning tools. Let's click on Spellingforce tile to get started. But before we do, I'd like to pay tribute to the team at EdAlive who've worked on this project for over 25 years. The online learning team in the last few years have done an incredible job of bringing it to market, and Will Maunder, our lead programmer, has excelled himself. Spellingforce is unique. There's no other online learning tool that exclusively focuses on the teaching of spelling in the Australian market, and very few of any quality worldwide. One of the things that sets Spellingforce apart is the new automatic levelling system that combines adaptive learning together with mastery learning. The adaptive learning levels the students, and the mastery learning mode allows the students to practice the words at that level. Now, there are 12,500 words in Spellingforce. That means there's an incredible variety and range of words to be used. One of our students has been practicing, and the recent spelling list here shows the results that they've achieved. It's currently levelled that student at level 1. I'm going to click in Test and just show you a couple of words that are presented in that mode.
Go. Let's go home. Go.
Okay, you'll see that there's a context sentence as well as information at the bottom as to where the word is coming from and which level. I'll click Submit and do another word.
It. Put it down. It.
Okay, IT. Submit, and that'll do for the moment. Right, back at the main menu, we can look at Missions, Look, Listen and Learn, and the NAPLAN Simulator. The content from automatic levelling is feeding into all of these activities one by one, regardless of which one is chosen. Spellingforce keeps track of every result of every word spelled for every child, and this means that we can use that information to drive the automatic and mastery levelling systems and to create incredible reports. If I click on Missions, you'll see that there are 4 games in here for the students to play, and the Look, Listen and Learn function is really engaging as well. The NAPLAN Simulator simulates the NAPLAN online environment for spelling. Now, this is not an official ACARA publication, but it's a very good approximation. One of the distinctives of it, though, is that instead of only having 8 words to practice, which are all at the same level and repeat, it brings in an endless stream of words from the adaptive learning system, the mastery learning system, or the bespoke lists that have been chosen at any time. Let's try one word and I'll show you how it works.
Spell. I sit down. I.
Again, because we've got level 1 content, this is very easy. Okay, I'll click Next and submit it, and then I'm going to exit back to our main menu. Users can also change from the automatic levelling to the built-in spelling lists. There are over 12,500 words in Spellingforce, and these words can be chosen manually from these lists. I'll choose phonics and say level 2, and I'm going to use the add, ed, id, odd words. I'm going to select that spelling list and then do one word in the test.
Slid.
Okay.
He slid down the slippery dip.
Slid.
S-L-I-D. Submit.
Sled.
And we'll go back and change that again. And this time I'm going to choose something from a very higher level, say level 7, and say the silent H words, echo, ache, and so forth. Let's try those and then do a test.
Scheme.
The colour scheme in the house was mostly blues and yellow.
Character.
All right. And you'll see on the recent spellings list on the side here that scheme and slid and the word it and so on that we've been using have all been recorded there. There's so much going on in Spellingforce, it's impossible to keep up with it, so the best way to do that is to take a free trial. To get there, I click on the menu at the top and go to view the website. This is spellingforce.com, and you can get there under your own steam or through the method I just showed you. But once there, teachers can click here to start a free trial for their school, and home users click here to do the same. There's so much going on in Spellingforce at release that it's already a mature product, but we've got much more planned. In the coming months, we'll be adding dictionary definitions to each word. the ability for teachers and parents to add their own words, the ability to create your own spelling lists from the word bank internally in Spellingforce, and even printable worksheets. We have a big vision for Spellingforce, and we love your company on the journey. Thanks for listening.